Now be the first to host live video chats, meetings, conferences, live classes, online training, webinars, podcasts, using DFY webinar content, live chat, real-time messaging, and file sharing, pre-recorded video streaming, all this and more for a one-time low fee. Welcome to WebinarPal. And as the name itself suggests, you pay only and enjoy lifetime access to this advanced webinar hosting platform. Say goodbye to limited subscription platforms, getting fleeced by platforms for every webinar, meeting, or conference you host, tech issues making it difficult for your audience to join or stay connected through the webinars. WebinarPal will help you skyrocket profits at the lowest one-time cost. In just 3 steps, you'll start saving and making huge amounts of profits. Step 1. Get access to the newest upgrade to video conferencing at the lowest one-time cost ever. Step 2. In just 1 click, create your unique link for a webinar, live or pre-recorded, video meeting, or live conference. Step 3. Engage and convert your audience into paying customers. WebinarPal is perfect for you if you own a business, service, or are a marketer. You want to survive in this new age digital world. You'd like to leverage the awesome power of live video chats, meetings, conferences, live classes, online training, webinars, and podcasts. You're looking to retain your profits and avoid paying a hefty monthly fee. You don't want to chase away your audience with your mic not syncing properly or sharing a recording that has a terrible audio output. You'd like to earn more by saving more. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on this page hits 0. So hurry. Plus, your webinars, meetings, and chats are encrypted, ensuring no one other than the recipient can ever access them. Even we ourselves. Take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to what's fast becoming the most preferred webinar hosting platform for business owners and marketers around the world. Welcome to WebinarPal.